Careful, it says.
Safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. It's the end. It's the end.
It's not really that cold out here for how much snow we got. Whew. My glasses are still super dark from being outside because of how cold it was. I've got to make some coffee, get some editing done, and then I need to film for tomorrow's video. But yeah, I will check in here in a bit. It wasn't too bad, but now that I'm inside, I am freezing. Alright, so you guys just saw kind of a cleanup of my beauty room. I need to finish organizing all of that. I need to go through my drawers and organize and get rid of anything that's out of date. I've got tons and tons of stuff. I need to go through that over there. So yeah, I'm getting ready to film. I just need to fix my hair and get dressed and film, but that was just kind of a little sneak peek as to what it takes for me to actually sit down and film. I need to clear off my desk from the day before if I hadn't done it already. I need to set up. I've got a photo shoot, so I had to take down my backdrop stand, and I need to use that for my photo shoots this week. So I'm going to be using, after I clean that mirror because that is disgusting, I'm going to be using my mirror and I'm going to decorate up there for my backdrop for today's video. So yeah, I will check back in when I am not so ugly. Alright, so I've been at work for the past couple of hours. I got my last video edited and uploaded while I was here. I've got to finish dinner when I get off, then go bowling. My husband said he'll vlog for me a little bit while we're there, and I should be able to finish editing and get this up probably around 11 o'clock tonight. If I don't include our bowling tonight, then I'll just put it in tomorrow's vlog. But yeah, and just a little update on what's been going on today so far. Yeah, I'll probably check back in here in a little bit. So I wanted to jump on real fast and apologize for the lack of vlog tonight. You say hi? I was out bowling for a little bit, but my body aches and chills, and I'm running a fever right now and feel like absolute crap. So yeah, this would just be the end of the vlog for tonight. Sorry I didn't get any more done today, but I just wasn't feeling too well. I will try and vlog as much as I can tomorrow. But yeah, I'm going to edit and upload and wash my face and go to bed. Hope you guys have a good night and a good day tomorrow, and I will see you later. What, honey?
I want to sit on that couch.
What couch?
On this couch.
Do you want me to move?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Say goodnight.
Good night.